Hello, Special 70 here, and in this video, I will be pretty much gonna develop a custom enchant item and stuff from the ground up, like from scratch. Okay, so I will, I might say random stuff, but I will just try to do my best to explain things. Okay, so first I have some of the plugins that I want to use, and let's start with an example item. Wait, let me just sort my other files. Let's just put those aside for now. Let's create a book item. For example, enchanted book. Gives enchanted book. Okay, so this will be our base item. So let's create create. Uh, let's for now let's create a durability regeneration book, and let's for the file name, I will categorize it as a custom enchant, and then tier 0, 1, and then it's this auto repair. Then let's just give it a name, auto repair. Uh, and let's give it some lore. And let's give it a tier. Let's finish. Okay, so here's the item that you will be. I think I want. No, I think good already. Yeah. Okay, so here is the part. We will create this activator, and then for testing purposes, we will add the add lore slot, and then the auto pair 1, and just set it to use a multiplication -1, and have it work at all slots. Okay, let's give ourselves the item. I think it's better to test it on survival and see stuff happen. Okay, now let's grab a random item and just get this and then drag and drop. I forgot to enable cancel event. Okay, so it should do that, but let's use the copy this. We have the check item expansion, so if we want to make it work under certain restrictions, you have to like create a check item placeholder. Check item in slot. Let's open the check item. This one. Okay, so in the documentation, we will use this option so we can check for something in a specific slot. And let's check for the valid slots. Yeah, this will be our reference. Okay, let's continue. Slot. When it comes to AI placeholders being parsed inside of AI placeholders, the AI placeholders are parsed first before the puppy placeholders. So this won't really break placeholder. And let's look for material. We want to use diamond pickaxe. Like apply the enchant to a diamond pickaxe. Okay, so let's type it a yes since that's the output. Okay, and let's try it again. Hopefully it won't vanish randomly. Okay, correct. Now let's give ourselves diamond pickaxe. And let's say it's over here, and then we drag and drop it, and then look. It now has the name. So what if we, how about if you like have multiple of these, and then you, the name will just stack, and we don't want that. So let's edit it and give it another placeholder condition, and similar to this, but let's change the lore contains. You can check the website again, this one. Lore contains text. Okay, let's go back in game and uh, repair. No, save. Okay, give one, and if you apply it, it should work, and it should not work anymore since the pickaxe already has this quote-unquote custom enchant. Now here is how we would want it to work. Like how do we make it work? Okay. For testing, let's just make it lose some durability, and from the description of this custom enchant, it has to be while holding. Okay, I will use executable events. Let me just sort my events folder. Okay, let's create an event file, and I will name my stuff uh, in a formatted way, so if I want to check for it again, it will be easy to find it. Oops. And then let's just type it enchanted book, so we would know what kind of activator this would be, and then let's use this activator, and then go to placeholder condition string, and let's go back to the website and find something. Okay, in hand main, this will be the option that we will be using instead of in slot, since we're just checking for something that's in our hand, and let's type yes, since when you use that kind of operator or placeholder, it will return either yes or no. Let's save it, and then let's add the modify durability command. Should be around here. I'll just use the wiki and player modify durability, this one, and you'll be using this placeholder because in executable items, the activator is executed by the item, so the activator knows which which slot is slot the item is. But since we're using executable events and there is no physical item, we don't have something that we can use as reference. So we will use slot live since we want to get the slot number of the main hand. Okay, let's add this and press the finish button and it should work. See? It's now regenerating. Now, what if I give myself a yeah, diamond pickaxe damage 100? Look, see this diamond pickaxe has a durability has been damaged by 100 points, but if I apply this custom enchant, it should regenerate now. See? So now we will move on to let's try figuring out how to upgrade these books. So far, I haven't figured how to do it, so you can just try and see if it works. Okay, let's create another. Let's try this. No, I think this is better. You cannot really use this because you cannot track what's hovering in your hand. Like really, you cannot. So far, there's no method of getting what's in your cursor, so we do not really have a choice but to use this activator again. So let's just set usage negative 1 and use this. No, actually, we need to change this part into slot. Let's check the wiki again because I do not have a really bright mind when it comes to memorizing things. Is it in slot? Yeah, it's in slot. Okay, equals yes. And then we will just put yeah, here. Uh, yes. Let's add a command. Check item, remove slot, slot. Okay, that should remove the item in that very slot, and then add the give slot command. Give slot special 70. Back from IRL stuff, and let's proceed. Okay, so let's just type it like this, and no, it has to be player. And let's check the wiki again for commands and permissions. The give slot command, this one. This one. Okay. We will check that later, but first let's test it out if yeah. Also, after thinking about stuff, I think there's a better way to handle upgrades. Let's quickly create a level variable and set it to a number, and let's give it a default value of 1. Auto repair for level in. Hmm. Let's check if Roman numerals formatter. They're like no, I think we have to like do it ourselves. But I think let's just handle with numbers instead. I think it's better. Let's just change the rest. And then let's go back to our EI item and then flip it through. And no, it's not. It's still not changed. That's okay. What's going wrong? Let's just try do it like this and oh I remember now, I remember. It has to have all these stats enabled and it should know. Or contains author. Oh, it has to be a name contains. Still not working. What the heck? Something must have happened to the recording. So what I basically did is I enabled disable stack because for some reason it won't the activator this activator won't register if the item is literally the same thing. So I had to enable disable stack so it would work, and I added a cooldown because without the cooldown this is what happens. I have to slash kill to fix it. Okay, so let's go back and add a cooldown in this. And yes, and now let's edit this part of the command and add this part. Level 2. And hopefully it would work as I want it to be. No? This is a number variable though. Maybe if I add the delay tick. No, that doesn't work. Go back here and increase the cooldown and check the console for issues. Bar level 2, but wait, still displays level 1. So maybe I might have like just apply the level stuff in lore. Let's check again. Okay, now let's. Hmm. It seems to only work in the lore, so I guess we have no choice but to rework the entire thing again. Sadly. Auto repair and change a lot of things. Edit, everything related. Okay. Hmm. Let's change it to like this instead and change this into int and go back to show this one. Let's go here and edit it. Okay, and okay, from ha. Let's remove the delay tick here and finish. Hmm. Let's use. Let's change the method a bit over the heck. Wait, are these things here. I don't need this. Let's edit how this thing works. Math, 0 bar level plus 1. Okay, now let's check if the adding up works properly. And yeah, it works. Let's just edit it real quick. Okay, so next we need to like check. I think there's a string formatter here. String. This one. We will be needing this because you want to. Yeah, this one. This one. Char at. We want to like know know good idea about lots of things. Okay, I am back with the cup noodles and let's continue. Our goal really is to like find the number of, let's just get another copy again. We want to like find the number after level. So let's read this real quick. What's the lower contains get info. Uh, check copy first. Check item. Get. I forgot how to use this. Let me check again. Uh, how do I do it again? Okay, I think let's me okay, those exist. I want to check for level. Where is lore contains specific lore line? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. When we get info, you can specify a number for text and how do I utilize the information? I suppose use the string index of. Copy this. I don't have the string expansion. Copy, download string. Copy reload. And let's try this once more. And I think I've used it wrong. Uh, level 2. Okay. 98, 99, 100, 101, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5. Where is it? Index of 108. Uh, last index. So I guess the position of it is 2. Hmm. How do I even get it? Text. Hmm. After a decent amount of research, I don't think there's a way to pretty much properly optimize this stuff. So we don't really have a choice on how the upgrades gonna go. I think let me think a bit more. Yeah, let's just continue doing something. I suppose. Uh, for the upgrading part, so to restrict the this part to only upgrade if you're trying to pair it with another book under the same level. So let's just uh yeah, this the one. This one has the math stuff, and this one handles this again. Yes. And let's create another one. Check item, get info. Wait, copy course. Check item, get info in slot. Okay, so that is how it's used. Okay, and uh, no. We're not gonna use get info. Uh, Floor contains level bar level. Hopefully that works. Hopefully, let's just give ourselves multiple loops. Okay, and wow, the heck, still combining. Condition here. Test like floor contains uh level. There's no level 2. Hmm. Hmm. Yeah, it's my mistake. Okay, now let's go back here and edit the condition in slot, comma, and it should only make it possible to upgrade with similar levels. Nice. This should work now. And we can apply to a diamond pickaxe. Madam craft gives diamond pickaxe. And it's not there. Let me just check the stuff. Wait, which activator is saying no? Valid. Okay. Black this, and we now have a working system that allows you to upgrade books. Okay, and well, being unable to do stuff about it. Okay, so next is on the executable event file. Let's just manually add the other levels. Event, uh, this one. Let's just make it like the limit is level 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, 5. 5, 2. Okay, let's just rename it to this. Okay, so it should work. And let's add a limit for it. So you cannot exceed the leveling bar. And it should only be inferior to 5. Yeah, that should work. Let's just give ourselves lots of duplicates and combine all of them. 4. Third equals 3. So 4, 5. And let's just give ourselves more. This, this, combine. Okay, it's working. You cannot combine and give ourselves a new diamond pickaxe. Yeah, pickaxe. Okay, and let's apply it to this one and let's just run score run player command special 70 modify durability 502. Okay, now it's leveling 5. It's now repairing the item by 5 durability every second because it has the auto repair custom enchant at level 5. So it will repair itself slowly as long as you're holding it in your main hand because that is how we made the item to work like that. Okay, so yeah, we managed to create a working custom enchant and also I think it's better to like let's go back to the let's edit the item file, yeah, this one. Instead of making it exclusive to diamond pickaxes, let's make it work on all types of pickaxes. Let's edit this part into get info slot and material. So load show and let's go back here and use the using a string and is contained in wooden pickaxe or stone pickaxe or let's just double check the wiki to see if we're doing it correctly. Yeah, it's a capital OR. Iron pickaxe or gold pickaxe or lemon type error pickaxe or netherite pickaxe. Okay, so hopefully it should work on all types of pickaxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Apply. Copy first me item get info 0 math. Huh? Wait, let me check again. How do I do it again? I forgot. Oh, okay. It's like that. It has to be separated with an underscore. And load again, and we can now apply the custom enchant on all pickaxe types. Nice. So that's pretty much it for this video. So I hope this video would allow you to at least know how I think about when I make complex stuff like this. Anyway, bye.